guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Daisy. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 60 essential Japanese verbs that you will use in daily life. I will also cover some helpful tips on particles usage and things to keep in mind when using these verbs. Let's begin.
食べます to eat 私は寿司を食べます I eat sushi. To specify what is being eaten, you attach the particle o to the noun representing the food. 飲みます to drink. お母さんは毎朝ジュースを飲みます My mother drinks juice every morning. The particle o marks the direct object of the verb 飲みます. Direct object means the thing that is receiving the action of the verb. In this case, juice is the thing being drunk, so it is the direct object. 書きます to write. 今日私はレポートを書きます Today I will write a report. We have レポート which is quite similar to the English word report. The verb 書きます to write also goes with the particle o. 起きます to wake up. お父さんは毎朝6時に起きます My dad wakes up at 6 a.m. every morning. In this sentence, we have 6 a.m., so it will go with the particle に 起きます to wake up is a root to irregular verb, so please take note. 寝ます to sleep. 私は毎晩10時に寝ます I go to bed at 10 o'clock every night. Similarly, we also have 10 p.m. 10時 Since it's a time, it will go with the particle に 寝ます to sleep is also a root to verb. 見ます to see, to look, to watch, to view. 昨日テレビを見ました I watched TV yesterday. In this sentence, 昨日 yesterday indicates past time, so the verb 見まし change to its past tense form 見ました. The particle o marks the direct object, which is テレビ television. 聞きます to listen. 妹は部屋で音楽を聴きます My younger sister listens to music in her room. The particle de indicates the location where the action is taking place. Therefore, in this sentence, we have 部屋で means in the room. 聞きます to ask. 駅員にトイレの場所を聞きました I asked the station attendants where the restroom is. Here, 聞きます means to ask. The particle に indicates the person being asked. So, 聞きます has two meanings, to listen and to ask. 会います to meet. 私は来週山田さんに会います I will meet Yamada next week. The particle に always follow the person you meet, so please remember this point. 浴びます to take a shower. 今朝8時にシャワーを浴びました I took a shower at 8 o'clock this morning. 浴びます often comes with shower. Shower to form the phrase シャワーを浴びます to take a shower. お風呂に入ります to take a bath. 私はいつも寝る前にお風呂に入ります I always take a bath before going to bed. 入ります means to enter, but when combined with お風呂 bath, it means to take a bath. 入ります to enter. 電車に乗る前に改札口に入ります I enter the ticket gate before getting on the train. When using the verb 入ります, always remember to use the particle に to indicate the place you are entering. A useful word to know when riding trains in Japanese, 改札口 which means ticket gate. 買います to buy. おととい京都でお土産を買いました I bought a souvenir in Kyoto the day before yesterday. We have a new word お土産 which means souvenir or gift. And おととい indicates past time, so the verb 買います change to its past tense form 買いました 座ります to sit. ここに座ってもいいんですか? Can I sit here? The particle に is used to indicate the destination of the action. In this case, kokoni means in this place and indicates where you want to sit. The polite form demo in desu ka is used to ask for permission. When using the pattern demo in desu ka, we need to change the verb into te form. So suwarimasu becomes suwatte. Machimasu, machimasu, to wait. 1時間友達を待ちました。I waited for my friend for 1 hour. Machimasu is used with the particle o to indicate what the speaker is waiting for. This can be a person like a friend, family member, or something like a bus or taxi. Asobimasu, asobimasu, to play. 弟は毎日公園で遊びます。My younger brother plays at the park every day. The particle de is used to indicate the place where the actions occurs. 公園で means at the park. Yomimasu, yomimasu, to read. お父さんは毎晩本を読みます。My father reads books every night. The particle o is used to mark the direct object. Besides hong, books, you can also use words like shinbun, newspaper, shousetsu, novel, and zashi, magazine. Hanashimasu, hanashimasu, to speak. 私たちは仕事について話しました。We talk about work. The phrase について means about. It's used to indicate the topic of a conversation. And 私 means I, while 私たち means we. 勉強します。勉強します。To study. 毎晩2時間ぐらい日本語を勉強します。I study Japanese for about 2 hours every night. ぐらい means about or around and is used to express an approximate amount. 働きます。働きます。To work. 昨日9時から6時まで働きました。I worked from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. yesterday. から and まで means from, to, they are used with words indicating time or place. 借ります。借ります。To borrow. 私はカリナさんに雑誌を借ります。I borrow a magazine from Karina. For the verb 借ります, the person you borrow from goes with the particle に. The things you borrow goes with the particle を. わかります。わかります。To understand. マリアさんは漢字がわかりません。Maria doesn't understand kanji. The verb わかります to understand is a special case and it always goes with the particle がします。します。To do. 私はミンさんとサッカーをします。I play soccer with Min. The verb します is used with many nouns to create new verbs. When nouns are used with します, they become verbs. The particle that goes with it is always を。行きます。行きます。To go. 明日私は京都へ行きます。Tomorrow I will go to Kyoto. For the verb 行きます, you can use the particle へ when heading to a specific place or when going to a place you have never been before or when going somewhere to do something. Therefore, it is usually far away places. On the other hand, the particle に is used when going somewhere to do something and coming back or to a familiar place. For example, 図書館に行きます. I go to the library. This sentence emphasizes going to the library to read books. 来ます。来ます。To come. 私はミンさんと日本へ来ました. I came to Japan with Min. When saying this sentence, the speaker has come to Japan. From Vietnam, for example. Therefore, the verb is used when the speaker is at the destination and the speaker or someone else come from another place to that destination. As for particles, both a and ni can be used. And please note that 来ます is a group 3 verb. 帰ります。帰ります。To return. 私は来週国へ帰ります。I will return to my country next week. The verb 帰ります is usually used to talk about returning home or to a familiar place, such as 国, country, the name of your country like America, America, Vietnam, Vietnam. As for particles, both a and ni can be used, similar to 行きます and 来ます。泳ぎます。泳ぎます。To swim. 来月沖縄の海で泳ぎます。 Next month, I will swim in the Okinawa Sea. The particle de indicates the location when the action is taking place. Therefore, we use the particle de at the Okinawa Sea. Okinawa no umi. Undo shimasu. Undo shimasu. To exercise.毎朝公園で運動します. Every morning, I exercise in the park. As for 運動します to exercise, it's a verb. If you just say 運動 alone, it's a noun, meaning physical movement or physical training. 着ます to wear. 私は上着を着ます. I wear a jacket. For clothes on your upper body, we use 着ます. And one more thing to remember is that 着ます to wear is a special root to verb. できます can do, be able to. Yamamoto さんはダンスができます. Yamamoto can dance. The verb できます always comes with the particle が使います to use. ハサミを使うときは気をつけてね. When using scissors, please be careful. The dictionary form of 使います is 使う. 忘れます to forget. 私はいつも鍵を忘れます. I always forget my keys. 覚えます to remember. 毎日5つ漢字を覚えます. I memorize 5 kanji characters every day. 覚えます is often used to mean to memorize lessons or knowledge. あります to be, to have, inanimate. 私はお金がありません. I don't have any money. あります is used for inanimate objects, plants. います to be, to have, animate. 事務所に山田さんがいます. Yamada is in the office. います is used for animate objects like people and animals. 閉じます to close. 本を閉じて寝ましょう. Let's close the book and go to sleep. 乗ります to get on. 毎日7時に電車に乗ります. I get on the train at 7 o'clock every day. The verb 乗ります always go with the particle に. Besides trains, 電車, we can also take bus, バス, taxi, タクシー, or even ride horse, 馬に乗ります. 降ります to get off. ここでバスを降ります. I get off the bus here. The verb 降ります always goes with the particle を. 考えます to think. もう子供の名前を考えました. I have already thought of a name for my child. 心配します to worry. 大丈夫ですから心配しないでください. It's okay, so don't worry. The grammar ないでください means please don't do something. Therefore, the verb must be in the night form. That's why 心配します becomes 心配しないで起きます to put, to place. 私は荷物を置きます. I put down my luggage. Although 起きます sounds the same as 起きます to wake up, 起きます to put is a root one verb. あげます to give. 私はあかねさんに花をあげました. I gave Akane flowers. With the verb あげます the receiver comes before the particle に, but it cannot be I or a member of my family. もらいます to receive. 木村さんは高橋さんにチョコレートをもらいます. Kimura receives chocolate from Takahashi. For the verb もらいます the receiver comes before the particle は and the giver comes before the particle に. くれます Somebody give me or a member of my group. 山本さんは私に本をくれました. Yamamoto gave me a book. くれます means to give to me or a member of my family. So before the particle に it will be 私 or someone in my family. 知ります to know. 高橋さんの電話番号を知っていますか? Do you know Takashi's phone number? In Japanese, 知ります is often used in a ています form to indicate a state. Therefore, the て form of 知ります is 知って持ちます Mochimasu, to hold, to carry. 가방を持ちましょうか? Shall I carry your bag? Besides meaning to hold, mochimasu can also mean to have or to possess. 答えます. 答えます to answer. 私は先生の質問を答えます. I answered the teacher's question. 見せます. 見せます to show. パスポートを見せてください. Please show me your passport. てください is used to make a polite request, so the verb 見せます is conjugated to 見せて. 教えます. 教えます to teach. 先生は私に新しい日本語の言葉を教えます. My teacher teaches me new Japanese words. 開けます. 開けます to open. 暑いですから窓を開けます. It's hot, so I will open the window. Please remember that 開けます always go with the particle を. 閉めます. 閉めます to close. 寝る前にドアを閉めます. I close the door before I go to bed. Please note that 閉めます always go with the particle を. 払います. 払います to pay. 今月分の家賃を払います. I will pay this month's rent. 返します. 返します to return. 私は図書館に本を返します. I will return the book to the library. 始めます. 始めます to start, to begin. 8時にパーティーを始めます. The party starts at 8 o'clock. 終わります. 終わります to finish, to end. コンサートは10時に終わります. The concert ends at 10 o'clock. 切ります. 切ります to cut. 私はハサミで紙を切りました. I cut the paper with scissors. Remember that when we talk about cutting an object, we use the particle を. However, when we mention the tool used for cutting, we use the particle で. 疲れます. 疲れます to get tired. 今日本当に疲れました. I'm really tired today. 出ます. 出ます to leave, to go outside. 私は毎日7時に家を出ます. I leave home at 7 o'clock every day. The verb 出ます usually goes with the particle を. 作ります. 作ります to create, to make. 沖縄でこのお酒を作りました. This sake was made in Okinawa. 写真を撮ります. 写真を撮ります to take picture. 私は友達と写真を撮ります. I take picture with my friends. We have new word 写真. It means photo or picture.
And that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching and see you.